Hey guys, welcome to digit.in, and today we're going to unwrap our new camera bag. Well, it's not much of an unboxing, it didn't come in a box, but we do have this ugly plastic wrapper, so let's just get rid of it. Now, this is the Vanguard Alta Rise 49 camera bag, and it's actually pretty amazing because it's got lots of compartments and it's got lots of space for throw that away. So it's got a lot of space basically for not just camera equipment but also accessories, laptop, tablet, etc, etc. It's got plenty of pockets, plenty of hooks. You can mount a tripod to it. It has a lot going, and it's actually not very bulky, which is one of the reasons why we wanted to get it, because we travel a lot and it's going to be coming in hand. It's going to be used a lot while we travel. So I'm just going to quickly open this up and show you guys what's inside, because seeing is believing, right? Now, if you look at this compartment here, there is so much space that you can put, technically you could put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lenses in here with 2 bodies with different types of lenses attached to them. Or if you wanted, you could do 2 bodies here without lenses and then just fill it up with your chargers, your lenses, your, let's say, hot shoe flash, triggers, all of that. Now, this is one of the reasons why we wanted to get this kit, because when we travel, we don't want to carry multiple bags. If you want just one bag, which will take your laptop, 15-inch, 13-inch, doesn't matter, give you space for an iPad if you need it. Also has zippered pockets for cables, etc. This is the one to get. Now, I'm just going to show you quickly the zippered area on this, and that's here. Over here you can store all your cables, memory cards in here, memory cards go in here safely. That's the best part about this, and it has these compartments that are designed for segregated storage, and that's what this is all about. So if you close it, let's say you're done with everything, it's not done yet. There is more. So you have a pocket over here. This is where you can store some easy to access stuff, like let's say if you need access to your passport, if you need access to some money or whatever, you can just store it in here quickly. And for the rain cover, you have it right here. So you open this pocket here and this is it. This little baggie here is the rain cover, which is pretty awesome, and it just easily goes in, doesn't take up much space. So there's the rain cover, and then there's a separate pocket here for the tripod, and over here you have your laptop compartment, which goes in here and easily fits a 15-inch laptop. As you can see, it's as big as my head. So all in all, it's actually pretty easy to put stuff in here and have everything packed in one bag, which means that you don't have to lug a separate laptop bag or a separate accessory bag with your camera kit. Of course, now if you're carrying more camera bodies, if you have a bigger team, then you would need maybe a bigger bag or a different set of number of bags. But if it's just 1 or 2 people with 2 camera bodies, 4 lenses, 6 lenses, it can all be packed in here without any problems, along with your camera chargers, your laptop chargers, maybe even your phone charger, all of that thrown in. So that's a quick look at the new Vanguard Alta Rise 49, and this is now our camera bag for our camera kit that's going to be living in the office. So thank you guys for watching this video. In case you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you guys for watching.